How to create a game pass in Roblox. The first things first is you need to access Creator Hub on Roblox. To access it, you simply open up any preferred web browser that you want to use. But on this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now you simply type in the URL create.roblox.com. And if you're not yet logged in on the homepage of Creator Hub, just make sure that you logged into your official Roblox account. And once you're logged in, on the left portion of your screen, just head down to Creations. And then you have an option to create an experience or choose the default. Now, if you'll be choosing the default, just simply click on that. And then at the left portion of your screen, scroll down a bit till you find the tabs under monetization. Now, choose on passes, and this is where you can create your game pass. You simply click create a pass, upload or change your format icon right here, name your game pass, and as well as the description of your game pass. That's pretty much it. That's how you create a game pass in Roblox.